statistics and numerical methods. So in this case study video, we will discuss about applications of probabilities. Let's start with Mr. Karthik.
Probability forms on the backbone of both statistical interference and modern numerical components. In statistics, it provides the logic for drawing conclusion from data. In numerical method, it offers algorithm to solve complex mathematical problems that are too difficult to solve analytically. There are 8 key applications of probability across these fields. Method-classification, numerical method. This is class of computational algorithm that relies on repeated random sampling to obtain numerical results. It is often used to solve problems that may be deterministic in principle but are too complex to solve by standard equation. Application: estimating the value of price-relating stock price in finance or modeling practical interference in physics. Mathematics: by generating thousands of random input and aggregating the result you approximate a solution.
Okay. Next, Mr. Madan will explain how probability used in Bayesian networks in statistics.
Bayesian calculates probability express the degree of belief in a particular event. Unlike Bayesian statistics, which relies on long-run frequency, Bayesian's method updates the probability of the hypothesis as more evidence of information becomes available. Applications: spam filtering, updating the probability and email spam based on specific words. Spam filtering, updating the probability and email is spam based on specific words. And machine learning parameter estimation.
Okay. Next, Mr. Sanjay will explain how hypothesis testing used in probability.
Hypothesis testing. Probability is the engine behind determining this result. The statistician is significant or just a random flip. Key concept. P-wall calculate the probability of observing test result at least as extreme as regular result actually observing. Assume the null hypothesis is correct. Application. Clinical trial to determine if a new drug is efficiently compared to a placebo.
Okay. Next, Mr. Sanjay will explain how mathematical integration is used in probability.
The topic is numerical integration. The numerical integration is a standard integration technique like a trapezoidal rule can fail or become a computationally expensive in high-dimensional spaces. Probability offered the alternative method Monte-Carlo integration estimation the area under the curve by randomly scattering points across a defined area and calculating the ratio of the points that fall under the functions.
Okay. Next, Mr. Vishnu explains how probability is used in stochastic process.
A stochastic process models a system that evolves over time with at least one random variable. Application: Markov chains are used to model systems that transition from one state to another based on probability rules. Real world use: Google's PageRank algorithm uses a stochastic process random surfer model to determine the importance of web pages.
Next, Mr. Kavin will explain how probability used in pseudo number system.
Zero number system generate numerical methods. Computer are deterministic, they follow instruction, so they cannot generate true random numbers easily. Numerical methods use probability theory to design PRNGs, pseudo random number generators, algorithm that produce sequence of number that approximate the properties of random numbers. Application: essential for cryptography, secure communication and running simulation in gaming and science.
Okay. Next, Mr. Karthik will explain how probability is used in reliability.
The topic is reliability and risk analysis statistics. Inside of probability distribution to model the lifespan of components and system failures. Distributions used. The available distributions are exponential distribution are commonly used to model time to failure. Application. Calculating the warranty period for a product or the insurance premium for a driver based on risk factors. Thank you.
Next, Mr. Sanjay will explain how probability used in curve fitting and regression.
The topic is curve fitting and regression. While regression is statistical tool solving for the best fit line often require numerical optimization method like guaranteeing decision that rely on probabilistic assuming error are normally distributed. Application. Predicting horse pricing based on sources like square footage and location by minimizing the error between predicting and actual data point.
Okay. As a conclusion, probability is used in many areas like statistics and numerical. So keep studying on it. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.